Coming off the heels of the holiday season, you may have noticed at least someone you know is sick. This is Public Health's Chief Medical Officer Dr. Bob Leon says the island is seeing an uptick in COVID-19 cases.
Prior to January 1st, GMH was averaging anywhere from 0 to 2 patients per day with COVID. And January 6th, started creeping up. And so by January 10th, we were averaging about 7 patients a day that were admitted at the hospital. So not only did we see more cases, but more severe symptoms where they required admission.
It's a trend reflected in the United States with a new COVID-19 variant called JN.1, making up 62% of cases early this month. Dr. Bob confirming that the variant is already on the island.
We still do that genome sequencing, but yes, the latest variant is on island.
And despite JN.1's presence on the island, Dr. Bob says fortunately it isn't as severe as the Delta variant. Still, the chief medical officer is urging residents to follow precautions to avoid the spread of the virus, like washing your hands, social distancing, mask wearing, and staying home if you're feeling sick. It's widely shared tips from health experts since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. But is the community growing too fatigued with this information to heed advice? That's not the case for this MTM resident.
And I will be exercising caution, with any sickness that goes around. Part of it being, wear masks, wash your hands, just basic personal hygiene. I believe everyone should be washing their hand regardless whether anyone's sick, especially if you do anything or, being anywhere in public, touching anything.
Still, this Barrigada resident contends natural immunity and healthy lifestyle choices trump all.
The vaccine and masks don't prevent the spread of it. And I also know that social distancing for 6 feet, we were also told that that was just a random number that they pulled out. So I like to keep my distance from people anyway, just because I don't like getting sick.
While others like Jesus Taikenko tell KUAM, the time-old protocols are a good idea to follow. And no matter what side you fall on, Dr. Bob encourages residents to know their options when it comes to vaccinations. That information now available on KUAM.com.